when I first started, we started out doing laundry in the coin laundries. And then we built a small 7,000 square foot laundry. My wife and I built this basically on our own in 2009. So right in the depths of the recession, we were opening up a business, trying to get it off the ground, and that was a very difficult time to do so. A lot of banks and lenders weren't interested in lending money to anybody at that point in time, let alone somebody who was coming to them going, "Hey, I have this dream of servicing hotels. I just need some capital to do it." So back in 2009, when we first started in this small laundry, we had about 25 people working for us. And if we were to produce 7,000 or 8,000 pounds of linen a day, we were really thrilled to do that. Today, we employ over 325 people, and we produce somewhere near 33 to 36 million pounds of linen a year. The most exciting day, I think, was the day that we started. It was March 1st, 2014. We started up our first large washer, and we had moved our 25 employees from our old location to this new location, and it was a Friday. So we moved everybody over. The entire 25 people came over with us, and we opened the doors, and it was a big deal. It was a lot of fun, a big day for us. It had to be the most satisfying day because we had spent the last 2 years building the infrastructure and getting everything ready in order to open the doors. And so it was a pretty lengthy, challenging process to get to that point. And on that day when we did it, it was great. We took off, and the rest is history. With the CDC's help and with JP Morgan Chase's help, we were able to build the infrastructure and buy the equipment for probably one of the largest commercial laundries in Northern California. We produce more linen than anybody else by far, and what that requires is a lot of intensive capital investment. The CDC was great, in particular Ed Ryan at the CDC, who was our representative there. He was a wealth of information, and I don't know if I could have done it without him. His support was fantastic. I'm Keith Pooler with Sacramento Laundry, and we're a success story.